Friday, you guys. So Cam said hey. Kids are currently having lunch. Here, Kaden, yours is ready. I'll put a little applesauce with it. You need a toothpick? But yeah, happy Friday, y'all. I posted Friday's or today's video a few hours ago. Doing well. You guys really enjoy tag videos, I noticed. So I'm always happy to do a tag. I love getting tagged in videos. They're always fun for me. But we're not doing much, as you guys can see. I'm working today, but I'm in my jammies. It's like a on and off work day. I had like a lot of meetings and stuff like that. Here, Kaden, there's those if you want them. Can you hand that to your brother too? So on Fridays, sometimes it's very up and down with meetings and stuff. So I'm keeping it very casual and low key. And I was like, I'm hopping back in my jammies. Like, I'm not doing this whole on camera, off camera thing today. So it is a little bit after 2. It's about 2:45 as a matter of fact. So Caden's home. He and Cam are having a little bit of lunch real quick. Did you not want those, Caden? You didn't want your fries? No. Okay. They're having lunch right now. I'm gonna finish up with some work. Caden actually wants to watch Stranger Things tonight, so we may do that. Just depends on what Clarence has like planned for the day or whatever. If you want catch up with those, Caden, it's in the fridge. Yeah, tomorrow's the next day.
Tomorrow we're gonna watch a movie.
Can you let the dog in too? Is the dog outside? Boy, where you at? Oh, he by the door. Sorry.
Mom, when we're gonna watch the next movie tonight? I'm gonna be sleeping on the couch.
Okay. So that's what's going on. I really started recording because I wanted to start the vlog. I felt like, let me vlog over the weekend. Just kind of bring you guys along with. It's the weekend before the chaotic weekend, so I'm really planning to like chill. Next week is Cam's birthday, and then we've got Easter, and then shortly after that, family vacation. So it's gonna be a pretty busy next week. So I said, let me go ahead and start vlogging. I may even film a few sit-down videos this weekend, just so that I'm like caught up on videos and the content does not stop for you guys. So there's that. Sorry, y'all, I'm checking stuff on my phone too. I just wanted to check in. I'm actually about to grab a quick Red Bull. Ba-bum-bum. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy Red Bull and enjoy my last 30 minutes of my little break here before it's back to work. And as the weekend progresses, you guys know, you guys will come along with us. So, cheers to a caffeinated day, and I'll see y'all later. It's much later in the evening, but I just got my package back from Louis Vuitton. One of my repair items was unable to be repaired, sorry, but one of my repair items, so you guys know I sent my Trousse and my sunglasses case in to be repaired. My Trousse was able to be repaired with no problem. It's still in the repair process, but why do I feel like my hair is wild or it's got flyaways or something? Anyways, but my sunglasses case was unable to be repaired, but they were so nice. They did send it back with a dust bag or a dust cloth or whatever you want to call it, a dust bag. They did send me this little note just letting me know like they enclosed a copy for my records and basically that they couldn't repair it, but they are so glad that I entrusted my item with them, so on and so forth. This is some heavyweight paper. But yeah, so there's that. Couldn't get my item repaired, but it's okay. I'm just gonna use her until I can't use her anymore. I just wanted her to be reglazed. I don't know if it's gonna even focus. She wasn't horrible. It didn't need reglazing like to that extent, but like you see where that little piece of glazing has like come off, you know, but I don't care, girl. I'm gonna use her till I can't use her no more. At the end of the day, this item retailed for $295 when it was like in production. I paid $143 for mine on eBay. And I can tell you now, I'm still gonna be able to use this for another 2 or 3 years. I can already tell. And by then, if I come across another one or something, whatever, but I'm just about to put it in my bag. Y'all, speaking of bags, I have been really loving this Longchamp bag. I've already talked about it 1,001 times, but it literally has been my favorite. So while it was in repair, I was just using my, I think I got this one from the Dollar Tree, but I liked it because it was very like Bottega-esque with like the woven detailing on it and everything. So love it. But while this was under repair consultation, I was using that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my Fendi sunglasses back in here, and we're just gonna use her. So yeah, she's fine, but I was wanting to get it reglazed, but that is okay. They did say that the reason that they could not reglaze it was because of, what'd she say, dehydration to the edges or something. But if I'm being completely honest, I really think that they did not reglaze it simply because, I thought that was clearance, simply because these particular items were discontinued because of this freaking glazing. I have watched countless videos of people who have replaced this thing like 4 or 5 times because just the way it was made, the glazing was always an issue and the cracking and stuff was always an issue. So that's why they took it out of production. So honestly, I don't care, girl. We gonna use her till we can't use her no more. It's literally meant to hold some sunglasses. I am not tripping. Like you can't even tell. It's literally me just being me. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain that, but see, it's not bad. I just felt like, it's pre-loved. Let me reglaze it, make it anew, but oh well. Anyways, they are repairing my trousseau. They said it'll be another 4 to 6 weeks on that, so there's that. We're always happy to get another little dust bag, so I'll throw that in the stash, just in case there's another item, you know, that I purchased that needs a little dust bag. So that's where we are at this moment. It is 6:35. I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. Probably something quick, simple, easy, and to the point. I think Cam is actually like laying down, which I need to wake him up because ain't nobody got time for that. Yeah, and that's all. I just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. Yeah, I'm in my jammies, y'all. I'm probably gonna continue to be in my jammies. I don't have nothing else, y'all. So I'm gonna get up out of here. I've got to start back work in probably like the next 20 minutes. Actually the next 13 minutes. So let me prepare my mental for that, and then I'll check back in with you guys a little later. Hey y'all, sorry, trying to fix my hair. We're headed to IHOP to get some breakfast, so I'll bring y'all with me. I just came back to get my jacket, honestly. Me too. So we are back from breakfast. Yes, so when we came back, I checked the mail, and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle like decor kit came in. You probably cannot see this very well, for Cam's party, and it looks like it has everything I'm gonna need. So this is like the, hold on Cam. Oh, this is awesome. So this is like the wall thingy. This is the wall banner.
Yeah, the wall banner.
This is like a helium balloon that has like the one, this is his favorite one actually. I think this is Donnie.
Yeah,
the cupcake toppers, the string, the banner hanger thingy, the tablecloth, and then the thing that says like happy birthday. Okay, this is perfect. And then you've got like the balloons. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those blown up via helium like the day before. These are invitations, but I think I'm going to use them for something else. Like just for, you know, instead of this part showing, I'll like maybe put them on the wall or something like that. And then this is like other little like decorative type stuff. And then y'all, let me show y'all the gift bags. All right, and then these are the little gift bags. So you have like each character inside. This one's Mikey, I think, but each thing is like different. You just kind of fold them up, and I'm gonna make sure all the whatchamacallit is inside. So these are perfect. I'm so excited. Decorative wise, it's gonna look really, really good. And everything's set. So this is awesome. I think this is either the tablecloth or the banner stuff. And I think I'm gonna make my way out a little later. I have some last minute stuff to do, and I really want to go get my nails done. You see it? All right, y'all. I'll check back in with y'all a little bit later. I'm getting ready to head to the store. I need to replace the flowers. Hey. I took a nap so good. Too good to be true, okay? I was knocked out after we had breakfast or brunch or whatever you want to call it, because we went at like 12. So I took the longest nap on earth, hence why I'm really trying to like get myself together. Drinking a little Red Bull, grabbing my bag. I'm running to, like I said, go get some flowers for the house. Because, oh, I got a new vase that I want to put out. And I feel like tulips would look best in it. Tulips and like really nice full bloomed roses. So, yeah, I'm going to go see if I can find some flowers for the house this week. I showed you guys the stuff that came in for Cam's birthday party. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Yes, so, you know, I'm all set for that. All is well. I got what I need. Like, I feel like everything's gonna execute properly. Yeah, and that's all I got right now. I'm finna get out of here. So let's get out of here, y'all. we're back from, I ended up having to go to Whole Foods to find that creamer. They actually have flowers too, so I picked up flowers there. But I got a new vase that I want to put in the center of the kitchen island. So I got tulips, I got hydrangeas. One second, there we go. I did get hydrangeas. They were on sale. And I still want to use the vase that's sitting here, so yeah. And then they had tulips. I picked up tulips. 'Tis the season. And I found the creamer. Literally had to like do a what do you call that? Like a store search to find the freaking creamer. Crazy. But the only one they had at mine was the brown sugar flavor, which I'm cool with. I like brown sugar flavored things. So I'll try it in the morning. We shall see. I was trying to read what it says. No gums, no oils, simple ingredients, so on and so forth. I have tried a couple other like organic creamers that don't have anything in them, and sometimes they're not really good. So we're gonna see. I'm back and forth. These are really, really pretty, and I feel like they're gonna be really pretty when they bloom. I don't know if this is like a, I think this is a, it's 15 stem. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, these are the 15 stem tulips. And let me show you the vase. So cute. It's like a little book. A little bit better. There it is. But it's like a little book. I can't wait. So I'm gonna put that in the center of the kitchen island. I'm still gonna use the white vase that I have. And then I'm gonna try to salvage these florals. They're not all the way dead. And then maybe I'll put those in the living room. But I'll do that in a moment. Right now I'm just gonna like decompress. And we don't have anything else going on for the day. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. It's 7:35, so we need to figure it out sooner rather than later. And we're probably just gonna kick back. I want to catch up on Ready to Love. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. Hey y'all. So it's still Saturday. I just finished taking a shower. Using all my TPH goodness. Y'all, if you do not use Body by TPH, I don't know what you're doing. Tonight was like a treatment night for me. So we did the exfoliating baby buffed body polish, the ish condish. Something that I've really been liking is using my Joe Malone body washes mixed with like 2 pumps of the Naturium like body glow gel to oil cleanser. Chef's kiss. Like, it gives you the essence of the Joe Malone without being as drying, because the Joe Malone, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little bit drying, and I think that's because it's a hand and a body wash. But put a pump or 2 of the Naturium with that. You get the beautiful scent and then the conditioning on the body, which I love. Clarence just went to pick up dinner. We're just having Wingstop tonight. We're keeping it very low key. I didn't feel like cooking.
Tonight, so Mom, I get Wingstop.
Yeah. I did not feel like cooking last night. We just had leftovers. There it is.
Why did you get mad at me? I was happy again.
Because he thought you were gonna get daddy.
I wasn't.
Yeah, so last night we just had leftovers and chilled. We went to sleep fairly early too. One second. We're having this TNT wine tonight. It's really good. They actually had it in Whole Foods when I went in there today, but I got mine from Publix, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, but we're gonna eat. And more than likely, I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. I have a nail appointment tomorrow, nail and toes. So I'll bring you guys along for that. And I kind of want to take out my spring fragrances too. But we shall see. But I'll see y'all later. Happy Sunday, y'all. So we just finished having breakfast. I just finished my green juice. I am getting myself ready. I'm about to like get my situation together, get some clothes on and all of that. I'm getting ready to go get my nails and my toes done. And I'm taking out this chicken because we're having oh my gosh, I can't even think. Chicken teriyaki stir fry for dinner. So I'm just about to thaw this chicken out I do need to pick up rice while I'm out because I thought we had some, but we don't. And I always just do my chicken teriyaki stir fry over rice for them. And then I just have the chicken and the vegetables. So yeah, doing that right now. Y'all, the tulips are so gorgeous. In this vase, I love it so much. So the tulips are blooming. They look amazing. And I can't remember if I told you guys about this candle, but I love it. I will leave it linked below. It is the Nest Charcoal Woods candle. Y'all, so good. We've been burning the heck out of it. It's almost finished. And then I love Nest like candle vessels, and so I always repurpose them. My matches are in this one. I don't get a lot of Nest candles because Clarence is usually not fond of the scents, but this charcoal one he was cool with. So something's in my eye. Sorry y'all, I need to put my glasses on. But let me get myself together. Let's go get our nails done and run a couple other errands, and then I'll check in with you guys later. All right guys, we're out of here. So I'm getting ready to go get my nails, my toes done. Got my Longchamp bag, Stanley cup, still very casual. Yesterday was very athleisure for me, and today's no different. I'm just wearing my Reebok hoodie. This is actually a Nike shirt under here with some gray joggers. Y'all cannot see them, and my Crocs. Nothing crazy. Yeah, hair is still in a ponytail and will be for a while. I don't have a appointment until April if I'm not mistaken, but we're gonna get out of here and get our day started because I want to run one errand. I want to stop in Walmart before I go get my nails done. Hey y'all, just got back from getting my nails done. I just did like a ombre pink SNS, white gel on the toes per usual. Cam said hey. I stopped at Publix because I had to order Cam's birthday cake and cupcake tray, and I'm doing a pinwheel tray, a veggie tray, and a fruit tray.
I want to look at my birthday cake.
Okay, I'll show you your birthday cake. Sorry y'all. Y'all are like off a little bit. Oh well, I don't know. Anyways, but I had to order the cake, the cupcakes, the pinwheel tray, the veggie tray. While I was in Publix, I picked up a couple things that we're gonna need for the week. I have been on an lavender shaken iced cold brew kick. So they had the, and I've tried this before, it's really good if you like cold brew. This is the organic busy cold brew. I got the organic medium roast and then the organic breakfast blend for my lavender iced cold brews throughout the week. I also picked up some organic almond milk for making said lattes or whatnot. I got the vanilla flavor. They had strawberries on BOGO, so I picked up 2 containers of strawberries. They had grapes on sale, and shout out to my girl Alicia. I think her channel is Living Fearless. She had me up in Publix looking for these big old juicy jumbo grapes. So shout out to her because she was saying that Publix had some really good grapes this week. So I did pick up a good amount of grapes. They had the Chobani yogurt on BOGO. So I picked up 2. We all like the vanilla in this house, so that's what we got. Can't believe it's not butter, olive oil, and original. This was on BOGO as well, plus I had an additional $1 off coupon. They had the ocean spray juices on sale BOGO, so I picked up 2. I love my sparkling water. Bubbly was the BOGO of the week, so I got a, what is this, mango and cherry. Sargento shredded off the block cheese BOGO, plus I had a $1 off coupon. The organic gala apples were on BOGO, $4.99. You got 2 bags, so I picked up 2. Their oranges were on BOGO as well, and Cam has been on an orange kick here lately, so I picked up 2 bags because they were BOGO. I picked up my jasmine rice for my chicken teriyaki stir fry that I'm making tonight for dinner. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm making, but I know that I'm gonna put green beans with it since they had them out there on BOGO. So I did pick up 2 fresh packs of the green beans. Buy one, get one free. And I had a $1 off coupon. I also picked up the Main Street Bistro signature mac and cheese. That'll probably go with them green beans. And I got another bag of meatballs in there. I may either drizzle balsamic glaze over them or the Kinder's gold barbecue sauce. We like that a lot. I used the teriyaki glaze the last time and they really enjoyed it, that the meatballs that way, so I may do that too. But that's gonna be dinner for tomorrow, and then I got some chicken or something in there I can cook for Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday we'll figure it out. They had cereal on BOGO, and Cam was complaining this morning that he was out of cereal. I made pancakes, bacon, eggs, fruit, and he was like, where's my cereal? So y'all know I hate getting him Lucky Charms, but BOGO with an extra $1 off, girl. And Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So there's that. I'm gonna put all the groceries away, and then I'm probably gonna sit down and relax for a little bit before I get dinner going. It is 3:40, or I'm sorry, 2:40. Just turned 2:40. So I'm gonna give myself like 20 minutes or so. Oh, I did pick up some Starbucks espresso pods. I just got the blonde roast espresso pods. These are for my lavender lattes. So yeah, that's that. So that's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna go ahead, get everything situated, put away and everything, start getting us ready for the week, and I'll check in with you guys when we do dinner.